Hey guys, I'm the math professor, Kyle Martin. This is a channel where we do your math homework fast and accurately, all right? Hey, one of my biggest pet peeves as a high school math teacher is when I have middle school students come up and then become freshmen or farther along, freshmen, sophomore, juniors, whatever, and they get a problem where they have two signs next to each other and they have no idea what to do, okay? Because somewhere along the line they weren't taught correctly, or maybe there's a disconnect somewhere. So today we're going to show you exactly what to do when you see two signs next to each other in some of these different math problems, okay? One thing that you need to do first is you need to memorize this chart over here, okay? What this is telling us is if you have two positives next to each other, that means that you could replace that with just one sign, which is just one positive, and you're going to be moving to the right on a number line. Okay, if you have a positive next to a negative, whether it's positive first or a positive second next to a negative, both of these are going to give you a negative, and that's going to move to the left on a number line. All right. Then the last one, if you have a negative next to a negative, that actually equals a positive that you can replace both of these with just one sign of positive. And again, that goes to the right on a number line. So what we're going to do today is give you three problems. All right. We're going to replace our two signs next to each other with just one sign, and that's going to make these problems way easier and hopefully alleviate some of that confusion that you might have when you see stuff like this. And then this last one we're going to do on a number line so you can see what I mean by moving left and right. Let's get into it. All right, this first one says -4 plus -2 minus 8 equals. So again, I want to replace all my double signs with just one sign. So that means I can rewrite just the numbers here. All right, and we're going to rewrite just with one sign in between each of these. All right, so this is just one right here now. That's good. These are two. This is a positive next to a negative. A positive next to a negative I can replace with just a negative according to my chart. Let's do that. And then I do only have just one sign here, so I can replace that with that same sign. And now this becomes -4 minus 2 minus 8. Right? -4 minus 2 is -6. -6 minus 8 more gets us down to -14. All right, what about number 2? Number 2, again, just write your numbers. All right, and let's replace our signs. Here I have two negatives next to each other. Two negatives equal a positive. And again, two negatives equal a positive. So now, instead of saying 6 minus -3 minus -2 equals, what this is really saying is 6 plus 3 plus 2 equals what? 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 is your answer. Wasn't that easier? Yeah. All right. Number 3. Again, write out my numbers. 5, 2, and 10. 5, 2, and 10. Let's see what I have here. I do have just one sign in front, so I can keep that just one sign. Two positives. Two positives is a positive, just one plus sign. And then a negative and a positive. Negative and positive is a minus. We can replace it like that. Okay, -5 plus 2. -5 plus 2 is -3. -3 minus 10 is -13. -13. Okay, and then let's do one of these on our number line. Let's pick number 3. Okay, let's pick number 3. So this one, I actually have to start at my first number, which is -5. So if this is 0, I have to go back 5 to -5. And I don't think my number line is going to be big enough here, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. So if I start here, then from my -5, I have to go right. A plus sign means I go right 2. So I'm going to go right 2 spots. 2 right there. So now I'm at -3. Okay. From that -3, I have to go back or left, right? A negative is left 10 spots. And if I go back 10 spots from -3, well, let's see, that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need a few more spots on my number line. 8, 9, 10. Be right there. Okay. Right there. So we're going back this far, like this. And you can see this is, if this is 0, we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, -13 back on my number line, which is exactly the answer that I got. All right, guys, if two signs next to each other have confused you before and this video helped you out, please consider liking it down below and subscribing to my channel if you're not already. We'll see you in the next one.